Hey Fit Fam, join me at the CanFitPro 2021 online FitPro event. My name is Karyn Silenzi and my session is called The Mastery of Variation. How you can take one movement and turn it into dozens of exercises, even with limited equipment. Look, you might be teaching virtual fitness classes or personal training and your clients might not have equipment at home to work with. Or you're teaching in person and you feel like you're doing the exact same thing day after day after day. Join me and you'll see how easy it is to make on-the-spot changes that will completely change the exercise that you're doing with your client. And what that means is, doesn't matter who's in front of you, you'll be able to make those adjustments so it's the right exercise for them. You'll walk away with a guide and see how easy this is with just a few key concepts. So visit canfitpro2021.org in order to reserve your spot today. And I hope to see you there.